I want to make a game like the Sparks, but I don't know how to use Scratch. I know, I'm going to use FNaF Engine, but how am I going to use FNaF Engine? Well, let's watch a tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a game in FNaF Engine. So first what you're going to want to do is click on this little button right here. It's going to ask you to make a project, and this will be your Five Nights at Freddy's game name. You can name it whatever you want. You can call it like Those Nights at Raptors, or like I'm gonna do Five Nights at the Imposters. Five Nights at the Imposter, because Among Us. And I highly recommend to do pre-made assets. You'll see why. So you're gonna hit create. It's gonna take you into this. The next thing you're gonna want to do is you see you're going to want to go to game info, and then in game ID type in your game, Five Nights at the Imposter, but don't actually type it in its initials. So FNATI, and then for game title type your actual game title, so Five Nights at the Imposters, and hit just full screen. You'll see why. And then you're going to want to go to menus and hit on main, and you're going to want to name your thing whatever you want, or your title. So Five Nights at the Imposters. That's my game name. Don't do my game name, do your game name. See? Five Nights at the Imposters. Next we're going to want to do is, you see add image? There's only this stuff. You're going to want to click on import and import the image you want. It's going to take you to like a bunch of files. In one of your files, you should have one of your images. And then you're going to want to use that one. So as I was at it, I also opened up all my other assets that I have so far, but I'm going to use my menu icon. I use Microsoft Paint to make mine. You can do whatever you want to make yours. And don't worry about these. These only show once you beat the game. So this will show once you beat Night 5, and this will show once you beat Night 6. And yeah. So next what you're going to want to do is go to news. This is going to be your newspaper. So I'm going to hit add image, and I'm going to import my newspaper that I made. I made mine with Microsoft Paint, so that's why it looks bad. So anyways, or at least, well, the paint thing, I don't know. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do, you see default here? Okay, you're going to want to hit this thing, and you're going to import your main default office, like what it looks like with like none of the flashlights on, none of the doors closed, like no nothing, just your plain office once you first load in. So I'm going to load up mine. And I highly recommend turning off panorama. It just makes everything look better. And for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a mask and flashlight. So I'm going to have a mask and flashlight enabled. And there's also going to be a music box, so I'll show in probably like a later tutorial. But first, let's do the flashlight. So hit this add state, and then enter state name. Now type in these words specifically. Flashlight : default. It won't work if you do anything else. So now this will be black because you haven't imported anything yet. So import your office flashlight. And if you want music on your menu, like custom music, go to background music, and you're going to want to import your music, which is what I'm going to do right now. Okay, I have imported my menu music, and let's hit the play button and see how our game plays so far. So we have our menu, and let's hit new game. Mira Inc. has released a new spacecraft, but before it's time, okay, so they're going to be brought into here. And if you hit control, or CTRL. It won't work right away. It doesn't work really that much at first, but trust me, it will work eventually, and you'll see how. But there's also a mask right here. And let's make an animatronic. Okay, so you see this, click on this. You don't have any animatronics yet because you haven't added any. So hit on the plus and then enter your animatronic name. I'm just gonna do red. And then you're gonna click on your animatronic, and then you can set its AI throughout the nights. And you can also set your movement path here, but that we'll do in a next video. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This was just getting started. I'm definitely gonna probably do more of these, but peace out. Goodbye.